Hi everyone, myself Harsh Nargade and I am from Division E. Here today we are seeing a C program for addition of two matrices. Here we have include a header file #include stdio.h which includes a standard input and output functions which we are using in our program. Here this is the main function from where our execution of our program is started. Here we have declared four integer type variables row1, column1, row2, column2, which stores rows and columns of our matrices. Here we are taking input from user of rows and columns of two matrices. Here we have allocated a space for our matrices. Here we have used a conditional statement if this condition between these two brackets is gets true, then and only then this part which is in if statement will be executed. If this condition will get false, then the part which is in else statement that will be executed. First we will see if this condition will be get true. If row of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix and column of first matrix is equal to column of second matrix, then and only then if the program which is in if statement will execute. Here we have used a AND operator. That's why if both conditions are true, then and only then this program will execute, which is in if statement. Here we have used a nested for loop for getting values from user of matrix 1. Here we have taking the values of matrix 1 from user, and here we are printing the values of matrix 2 which are given by user. Similarly, we are doing same thing for second matrix. Here we have used a nested for loop and taking values from user of second matrix, and here we are printing the second matrix as it is which is given by user. At last, here we are used a nested for loop for printing result. In this matrix we are storing addition of first and second matrix and printing it on output screen, which will be the addition of two matrices will we get. If this if condition will get false, if this condition get false, then else part will execute and these messages are printed on output screen. Let's see how program work. Here computer is giving us message enter rows of first columns. Here we have to give rows and columns of first and second matrix. We will give two rows and here two columns for first matrix and same two rows and two columns. Here what happened? We have given two rows and two columns. Uh, Here row of first matrix equal to row of second matrix. Here 2 and 2. This condition will get true and column of first and column of second matrix. Here column of second and column of second matrix will be true. This condition and this condition both are true. That's why if statement will execute. And now here we computer have given us message enter 4 elements of first matrix. Now we will give elements of first matrix 1 2 3 4, and here the first matrix is printed. Now enter 4 elements of second matrix. We will enter 4 elements of second matrix 5 6 7 8. We have given here elements of second matrix and the second matrix is printed here, and the addition of the matrices is also printed. Let's check the condition addition is correct or not. uh, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 3 10, and 4 plus 8 12. Our program is working correctly. Now we will see what happen when the if condition get false. Uh, we will execute again. Now we will enter the values of rows and columns which are dissimilar. 1 2 3 5 6. Now here what happen, uh, in this if condition, row of first matrix is not equal to row of second matrix. Here this condition get false, that's why our else part will be printed. Sorry, addition can't be done. Please enter valid input. Thank you. This is our C program for addition of two matrices. Thank you.